we'll guide you through how to use Printful to create custom products for your online store. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Printful website on your desktop and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one by entering your email and setting a password. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard. From here, go to the Stores section at the top of the page. You need to connect your online store by clicking Choose Platform and selecting the e-commerce platform you're using, like Shopify or Etsy. Follow the prompts to connect your store with Printful. After your store is connected, go back to the dashboard and click on Create. This will take you to the product catalog where you can choose what you want to customize, like t-shirts, mugs, or posters. Select a product. Then you can use the Design tool to upload your artwork or create new designs using Printful's Design Maker. Adjust the placement and size of your design, and when you're happy, click Proceed to Mockups. Here, you can choose how to display your product images on your store. Then click Proceed to Details to set the product title, description, and pricing. Once everything looks good, click Publish to add the product to your online store. Printful will handle the printing and shipping whenever an order is placed. You can manage your orders and settings back in the dashboard. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.